Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I'm VCHEF for Culinary. Today we did a bit of every single thing that we learned. We did food plating, we did a bit of Hungarian dish, we did a bit of Greek dish, we did a bit of Asian dish. So I'm going to introduce you to some of the dishes we made. This is chicken paprikash. This is chicken in garlic sauce. And this is chicken only garlic sauce. And this is most people's favorite because it's sweet. This is rice we made, platted with a bit of cucumber, a bit of carrots and lettuce, with a bit of food plating over there. Beautiful, wonderful. We'd like to see you in Culinary where you meet more models and tutors to put you through your chef lifestyle.